Hey guys, just wanted to give a quick shout out before the start of the video to Bath Bomb Braden. Right now I got bath bombs on for $5 all through March. A ton of flavors. I'll throw up a little image of what the flavors are here. So give it a shot. If you want to give it, if you want to try it, send me a message. I will hook you up with where to go on it. So Bath Bomb Braden, he'll make your worries go away. Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Jack and Ryan. Today we are going to be making hamburgers. So I got my sous chef Jack here. We're going to start by opening up some lean ground beef here. Take her in there and put her into the bowl, mix it up a little bit. How's that bag doing? Pretty good? Good. We are gonna next put in one egg. I'm horrible at cracking eggs, so please don't judge me too bad. Next, we add some breadcrumbs. I don't know what kind these are. Seasoned breadcrumbs. That's okay. Throw a little bit in there. I don't measure anything, I just kind of chuck it in. So eggs. That is out of the way. Next, we're going to throw a little bit of black pepper in. I don't ever add salt to things, I don't know why, but everyone always says salt makes things taste better, but I just never use it. So, we got some onion powder. And then we got some seasoning salt. Throw that, mix all that in there. We mix it. And we mix it. Then we're going to add in some Worcestershire sauce. Smell that, Jack? Smells good. Oh yeah. Okay, so now that we've mixed the burgers up really well, we're gonna form our patties. Take a little ball, roll them around kind of like you're making a meatball. And when you get to a circle, then you're gonna squish it down. Give her one of these. And the trick is to always take your finger and put a little indent in it. That way they don't plump up too much. Hey guys, wanted to just follow up on this video. Jack was getting pretty fussy by the end of the video, and I had to go down for a nap, so I didn't get to finish the actual end of the video and do like a full ending of it. So I'm adding it in afterwards here. So hope you guys liked the video. Please like, subscribe, share it. This is the first video where I've had some graphics in it. I just learned how to do that today, so hopefully you guys like it. Please like and subscribe. Also, shout out to Bath Bomb Braden. Only way to relax after a hard week of day daycare.